What's up YouTube? I'm Kayser, behind the camera is my partner Alex, and today I have a great tone and restore effect for you guys, so enjoy! I want to show you guys a really cool card trick, alright? But for this I need you to pick a card. So just touch the back of one card. All the cards are different. Touch the back of one card. This one?
Yeah.
Alright. This one?
Yeah.
Alright. And Chelsea, I'm going to ask you to sign your name on the face of the card. I want your autograph. Awesome job. Sign your name. Yeah.
I know this guy.
Hey, how are you, man?
Not bad.
Awesome. So I'm going to try to do something really cool with this playing card. So what I want you, at least I want you to pinch with your right hand this card right here. And I'm going to fold the corner of the other one and prepare with your other hand. I want you to pinch the other corner and rip the card. I want you to remember that you ripped the card and I didn't. Just rip it off. Great. I want you to remember that you ripped the card, not me. And I'm pretty good with my mouth. So I'm going to try to restore the card with my mouth. I'm pretty good with my mouth. So I'm going to try to restore the card with my mouth. Hey, watch this. 7 of clubs. But I also need a little bit of glue. So I brought with me some glue. Some glue. Watch it.
Freaking wild, dude.
Can you see the card? All right, watch the card, all right? Watch the card. You ready? Make sure it's really restored.
What the? Are you serious?
The card's actually restored. The card is completely restored. Thank you. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Yes, I give it to you.
What's your name?
Kayser Magic, right here. Kayser Magic.
Shout out to Kayser Magic.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. As always, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Kayser Magic, and share the video. If you want to see more magic, click on my right to see my last video, or click on my left to see my next video. See you next time.